Hello everyone. Now we will see how to create this sketcher in Catia. So for that, just I will enter into part design by using the start mechanical design and part design. Just I'll say OK. Now I need to create one sketch on this front plane. So just I'll enter into sketch like this. Now I am considering this point as origin point. How we can consider which point is origin point means from which point we will be having maximum dimensions, that point you can consider as origin point. So as you can see here, this entire profile, and to make mirror also, this point is suitable for us. So I am considering this point as origin point. From origin point we are having here three circles. So just I will go for circle. I will double click on that to use continuously. Just I will create three circular profiles here. To give dimensions, I will go for constraint. Then for inside circle, we are having diameter of 28. For second circle, we are having diameter of 48. Then next circle, we are having here diameter of 70. Just I will provide here dimensions. Then whatever this circle we are having with a diameter of 45, that should be with construction. Just I will select this, and as you can see here, constraint or standard element option we can use, and we can convert that normal circle into construction circle. Next to that, we are having one small circles here with a diameter of 8 mm. Exactly it should be on this horizontal axis, that too on this construction profile. So just I will go for circle. Whatever the circle you are drawing, it should be with a normal profile. It should be exactly on this horizontal axis. That too it should start from exactly with this construction circle like this. And to give dimension, I will go for constraint. Diameter we are having 8 mm. Next to that, this profile we are having here. So just I will select this. I will make it mirror with reference to this. So to create this multiple profiles, directly one option we are having here. Just as you can see here, I will go back. Just I will select the profile. As I open here mirror option, you will get one option called rotate. We can go here with rotate option. Then instances we need total here. We are having 6 circles. Just I will provide 6 here. Then center point we need to select. I'll click on this center point, and as you can see we need to provide angle here. So total circumference of the circle will be having 360 by total 6 circles we want. If I say enter, at a time all profiles will be created. But here one thing you need to notice that we are able to create multiple features by using this rotate option, but whatever the profiles we are created, all those are it is showing under constraint. We will get these profiles in white color. So that's why in this sketcher we are not going to use this rotate option. So instead of rotate, we need to create everything by using this mirror option. Now this profile I need to make mirror with reference to this. Then next to that, somewhere we need one more circle here. For that, just we need to create one axis line with inclination. Now circumference of the circle we will be having total 360 degrees. So total we need number of circles are 6. So if we make 360 by 6, we will get angle of 60 degrees. Means if one profile is at 0 degree, one more profile you need at 60 degrees. So to make this mirror here, we need one center line. So for that we will be having here inclination of 30 degrees. Now total angle is 60 degrees. Just I'll create one axis line from here to here like this. Then to give angle, I will go for constraint. We are having here angle between this line to horizontal axis with inclination of 30 degrees. Then just I'll select this circle. I will make it mirror with reference to this 30 degrees inclined line. Then properly we will get at 60 degrees. Then again I will select this. I will make it mirror with reference to this vertical. Then later on that by holding control, I'll select these two circles. I will make it mirror with reference to horizontal. So in this way you can create this profile. As you can check here, profile is showing ISO constraint. So next to that, I am going to draw this line with length of 84. So from center to this we are having 72 plus 30. So just I will go for line. We need one line with equal distance in both directions at a time. In that case, you can turn on here symmetrical extension. Just I'll create one line profile like this. Then length for this line we are having here 84. Height from origin point to this one we are having 72 plus 30. So just I'll mention dimension from this to this we are having here 72 plus 30. Then next to that we are going to create this profile. So as you can see, whatever the shape we are having on one side, same shape we are having on another side. So this parts are these objects we call it as symmetric objects. Means we can create half section and entire thing you can make it mirror. So now I am going to create only this half section. For that just I need to create one circle with a dimension of radius 18. Just I will go for circle. I'll create one circle somewhere here like this with a dimension of radius of 18. Just double click on that, make it here radius. We need radius of 18. Then next to that, to make proper position for this circle, we are having from center point to origin vertical distance of 72. With reference to horizontal we are having 82. Just I will go for constraint. From here to this point we are having here total 82. So I will use 82 by 2. Then dimension from origin to this we are having here height of 72. Then later one more circle is there with a diameter of 18. Again I will create one more circle from origin with diameter of 18. Then next to that, this profile we need to create. As you can see here, one vertical line is there, one horizontal line is there. Then we are having here corners. So just I will go for profile. I'll create one line from somewhere here. No extra relation should be applied like this. One vertical line, one horizontal line we want. Then by using constraint, I'll apply relation between these two we need here tangency. Then dimension they given from this line to this line 28. So we are maintaining only here off profile. I'll mention here dimension of 14. Then later to that we are having here one corner with radius of 10. So just I will go for corner. Here I'll use no trim option between this profile to this profile with radius of 10. Just I'll modify that. Then next to that here one more radius we are having with radius of 8. So just I'll provide like this. Here directly we can use trim all elements, no extra elements we needed here with radius of 8. Then just I will go for quick trim. I'll trim these unwanted elements by using this quick trim option. So I need to trim this element, again this one, again this. Then next to that, one inclined line we are having tangent to this and tangent to this. In these conditions, directly you can go here with bitangent line, and we need line tangent to this curve and tangent to this curve in this way. Then next to that, one straight vertical line is there. Again one corner is there. Here we are having here same radius of this 18. So just I will go for direct one curve. As you can see the shape here. Now we are having one curve from this point to here in this direction. Relation between this to this we are having here tangency. Then dimension for this we are having here radius of 18. So just we will provide dimension for this we are having here radius of 18. I will go for quick trim. I need to trim this. Then by holding control, select the elements what you want to make mirror here like this. Then we will go here with mirror with reference to this vertical line. Just go for quick trim, again trim this unwanted elements. So we don't want this circular profile also. That's it. As you can see here, like this we need to create this entire sketch profile.